Hello all. Today I'm gonna make smoothie, and this is good for the 6 7 months old baby to the grown-ups. So here you go. First I'm gonna show you the banana smoothie. So all you need is banana and just a mixture. Hello guys, I'm using the slim blender, so it's a strawberry, so you can also make strawberry paste for like 7 months old kids. If you start eating this, they start eating the solid food. So I'm just gonna blend it. Okay guys, I'm gonna blend the blueberries. So as you can see, I'm done with the strawberries. Now it's time for the blueberries. So this one is the frozen blueberries, so I'm just gonna blend it. So now you can see that I'm gonna blend the blueberries. The reason I'm doing it separately is because for the solid starter, they can't introduce food by one, so that they will not have any allergy reaction. So as you can see, I'm blending the blueberries. Here is the paste of banana, strawberry and blueberries. So you can feed like 7 months old baby like banana puree, strawberry puree and the blueberry puree like one by one, so that they will not, they just make sure that they don't have any kind of allergy. So I'm gonna mix everything and some other ingredient too. Yes guys, it's time for the spinach. I know all the moms are like tired of feeding the kids, like especially the spinach. They are like all the moms I heard are complaining about the spinach. So guys, I just mix all the spinach inside the smoothie. So this is the one of the way to feed them guys. This is my baby Ava. So she's drinking smoothie. She loves smoothie. So if you guys introduce the baby like early age, especially the smoothie, they're gonna pretty much drink it. So guys, you can try, and you can comment below. I hope this video helped you a lot. And please like my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye. Yummy. And please keep watching my baby's video. Thank you. Yun mo?
Don't.
Ano ni? Right.